Yo guys, it's your boy the Doctor. In today's episode, we are indeed gonna rip it. And there's some coins and some packs in the big bags. That's what we are aiming for. White flare. So let's open this. I guess it's just all the base cards. That is my guess, but I don't know. It's all the energy cards. Alright, baby. It's fun. A fun little feature. Here we go. I think there's also 4 here. There we go. Sorua, Ubat, Chandler, Basic Energy, Litwick, Lillipop, Rock'n'Roller, Dino, Stunfisk, iPod. Alright.